Hey, I'm Skylar. Of all the ways to turn an iPad into a laptop, I think the best way to do it is actually with the Apple keyboard. That's this thing right here. They make these for iMacs really, but it's a Bluetooth keyboard. It runs on AA's and it'll work with anything that's Bluetooth and that, communicates with keyboards. So case in point being iPad. Let me show you how to turn that on. Press your home button and slide to unlock. Head on over to Bluetooth and take a look at what's available. In this case, the keyboard is available here, so I tap that, and it asks me to enter a PIN, 4804, and then press return. Okay, so now I've entered the code for the keyboard on the iPad, meaning that these two devices are paired. And if I set it aside for a second and go to, I don't know, Safari, then tap search, grab my keyboard, I can type in iPad, press return, and there we go. Just like that, you've got a working full-size keyboard with an iPad. And if you've got a smart cover, this thing, you can just attach that to your iPad like so. Flip it around. Ta-da! Laptop wherever you go. I'm Skylar. Thanks for watching.